Sister number 1, si Teddy.
Oh my goodness, I am so smart.
Sister number 2, si Bobby.
True love my ass.
Sister number 3, si Alex.
I love my life. Woo!
Sister number 4, si Gabby.
To your classrooms, now.
And the baby of the family, si CJ.
I'm getting married!
Magpapakasal?
Hindi kayo nakulam o nagayuma yung bunso natin?
Kung Techi, ano pa man ang opinion natin, kailangan yung umuwi para sa big event.
Ikaw ba sigurado dyan sa babaeng papakasalan mo?
Oo naman ate.
Chararat daw, sabi nitong si Alex.
Anong chararat?
Charat yung...
Unattractive.
Pinaganda mo pa? Pangit.
Are the sisters ready to let him go?
We have to do something and stop that wedding.
Are the sisters trying to fix their brother's life?
So may plano kayo? Kayong lahat! Ano yung plano nyo, ha?
Na iparealize sa'yo na hindi ka dapat magpakasal kay Princess.
Or do they need to fix their own?
Kapag ikaw nagbiro kahit masakit, okay lang.
Kaya nga joke yun, hindi ka dapat nasasaktan doon.
Don't give comments about my personal life because I don't give comments about yours.
Pag-aaway-awayan ba natin to ngayon? Why do I even have to take side? Okay na, talo na ako. Talo na.
Nag-isip, hindi mo ginamit yung utak mo? My God!
Ate,
Gets ko na, palpak nga eh.
nag-New York ka lang. Ang yabang-yabang mo na.
This is about me now!
No, you don't value that way.
Alex, tama
Hoy!
ka! Palagi naman eh.
Nag-aaway ba kayo? Hindi ba, naglalaro ho kami ng... charades, ma.
4 sisters and a wedding.
If that was your attempt of breaking us up, then you failed.
Pwes, bigyan ng maraming options. Options, options, options.
A film by Kathy Garcia Molina.